تا آخر تیر ماه، مهلت ارسال تا آخر تیر ماه. I think it's June July 22nd, if I'm not mistaken. I think, let me check it. I will tell you. The due for uploading your research reports. Let me tell you. Yes, it's July 22nd. July 22nd. بله، روز 9 تیر امتحان هست و روز 31 تیر آخرین مهلت برای ارسال. حالا 9 تیر رو نمیدونم دقیقا کدوم روز پایگاه داده دارید. 9 تیر. خب حالا من چه کار کنم؟ خب داشته باشید. خب 2 تا امتحان دارید. خب مشکل کجاست؟ What's the problem? مشکلی نیست؟ No problem? Okay. Happy to hear that. Okay, some questions. Let me ask you about what are clearing banks? What are clearing banks? The clearman is receiving each other entirely without each other. Yes, that's true. Thank you, Russell Jabbar. Let me write your name down here. Okay. next question is about confidentiality. What does confidentiality mean? What does confidentiality mean? Yes, Zainab Abdul Abbas gave the right answer to this question. Thank you. Next question. What is data integrity? What is the purpose of data integrity? Carol Majed, thank you. That's correct answer. Thank you. Yes. It ensures that data has not been forged or modified by the adversary intentionally or accidentally. And can data integrity prevent the modification of data or not? Can data integrity prevent the modification of data or not? Yes, Mustafa Muhammad Jassim. That's right. Thank you. Okay. Not prevent data change or data modification. And what is the authentication service? Authentication service is assured. Yes, Majid and Mustafa Shalal both gave the right answer. This question. Next question. About non-repudiation, what does it mean? Yes, the second deny at a later time that he or she has not sent the message. They cannot deny sending the message. That's the meaning of non-repudiation. Okay. Which key in consider the symmetric key cryptography? Which key is used to encrypt the message, and which key is used to decrypt it? In symmetric key cryptography, which key is used to encrypt the message, and which one is used to decrypt it? Same key, yes, Agil Fazal. Same key is used to both encrypt and decrypt the message. Same key is used. Correct? Next question. What are the two types of cryptography? The two types of cryptography. That's right, symmetric key and asymmetric key cryptography. Those are the two kinds of cryptography. Okay. How is the key communicated between the sender and receiver in symmetric key cryptography? How is the key communicated between the sender and the receiver? Yes, they have to agree on a key, but how is the key communicated between them? Through what? The answer is in the figure, in the relevant figure. Yeah, they use the same key, but the shared key should be sent to the receiver. How is it sent? How is the shared key sent to the receiver? Yes, through a secure channel, Halil Ibrahim. Correct. Next question. What are the most common uses of symmetric key cryptography? İHAB Hamza'nın not just by using any communication channel, but a secure communication channel, okay? A secure communication channel. Yes, HTTPS, SFTP, WebDev, yeah. So, which type of cryptography is faster? Is it symmetric cryptography or asymmetric? Which one is faster? Is usually faster. Yes, it's Zulfaqar Zarqan. It's symmetric, as well as Zainab Abdul Abbas. Which type of cryptography is preferable when the data size is huge? When we deal with huge size of data, which one is preferable? Yes, it's symmetric. Ayaz Taleb and Zainab Abdul Abbas. That's right. What are the two types of symmetric ciphers? The two types of symmetric ciphers. Mustafa Muhammad Jasem, that's right. Mustafa Muhammad Jassim, block and stream. Okay. Which algorithm is a stream cipher? Is it AES or RC4? Which algorithm is a stream cipher? AES or RC4? Which algorithm is a stream cipher? Is it RC4 or AES? Yes, it's RC4. RC4. Ayaz Taleb, you're right. How does a stream cipher work? How does a stream cipher work? Yes, it converts one symbol or digit at a time into one symbol of the ciphertext. Zainab Abdul Abbas. Okay. For the sake of security, for a stream cipher to be secure, what properties should the pseudo-random keystream generator have? What properties should the pseudo-random keystream generator have? That it should be secure and unpredictable. Also Jabbar. Okay. Stream ciphers are an approximation of another proven perfect cipher. What is it called? The proven perfect cipher. What is it called? The proven perfect cipher. Yes, that's one-time pad. Zainab Abdul Abbas. Along with others. Okay. How is the pseudo-random key stream typically generated? How is pseudo-random key stream typically generated? Yes, that's right. Russell Jabbar is generated serially from random seed value using digital shift registers. So what is the key here? When you use pseudo-random key stream in a cipher, stream cipher, what is the key. What is the key here? The seed value, yes. Ahmed Kuwait. The seed value, and Mustafa Muhammad Joseph. So, what are some advantages of stream ciphers in comparison with block ciphers? Yes, Adil Ibrahim and Russell Jabbar. What is the most widely used stream cipher? The most widely used stream cipher. Mustajman. That's RC4. That's correct. Alright. Next question. How does a block cipher work? How does a block cipher work? It works by partitioning the plaintext into blocks of fixed length. That's true. Ahmad Kuwait. You're right. What key is used for encrypting each block of data in block cipher? What key is used? What key is used to encrypt each block of data in a block cipher? It's the same key. Yeah. Ahmad Koid and Mustafa Shalom. Yes, it's the same key. What does it mean when we say that block cipher is a deterministic algorithm? Yes. Russell Jabbar and Adil Ibrahim both gave the correct answer. Next question. What are the usual sizes of each block in a block cipher? What are the sizes of each block cipher? Zainab Abdul Abbas, yes. 64, 128, and 256. Okay. What is the confusion in a good encryption algorithm? What is the purpose of confusion? What does it do? Yes. Zainab Hamid. All right. Yes. It makes the relationship between the encrypted text, the ciphertext, and the plain text complex. And how is it achieved? How is confusion achieved? How is confusion achieved? Substitution, yes. Adil Ibrahim and Mustafa Shabab. What is the purpose of diffusion? What is the purpose of diffusion? It spreads the plain text statistically over the encrypted. Why is it required in a modern encryption algorithm? Why is diffusion required algorithm? It makes finding key, even if many encrypted and decrypted data pairs are created using the same key. And how is diffusion achieved? How is diffusion achieved? Permutation, yes, that's right. Adil Ibrahim and Zainab Abdul Abbas. What does the mode of operation of a block define? What does the mode of operation in a block cipher define? Let's give a complete sentence. It defines how to apply cipher single block operation to transform data larger in size than a block size, right? is the idea here in defining the mode of operation? What is the purpose? What is the idea here? Nabil Ibrahim, you have given the answer beforehand. Okay. What are some modes of operation for block ciphers? Can you name them? Yes, CBC, ECB, OFP, CTR, CFP, etc. What is the initialization vector in CBC mode? What is the initialization vector or IV in cipher blockchain in CBC mode? What is IV? Initialization vector. Yes, it is used to encrypt the first block along with the key, of course. Is it secret or not? Is IV secret or not? Should it be kept secret or not? The IV. Not, yes. Zainab Abdul Abbas. Yeah, perfectly correct. In which mode of operation the block cipher is used as a stream cipher? In which mode of operation the block cipher is used as a stream cipher? Yes, that's right. Abil Ibrahim, it's the CTR mode. It's the CTR mode. Okay. How is the key stream generated in counter mode, in CTR mode? How is the key stream generated? Just explain. How is key stream generated? No. A unique node is supplied that is concatenated with the current value to produce a key stream. Okay. How is it done? Can you explain more, please? Zainab Abdul Abbas, can you complete your explanation? It's not complete. You may want to look at the figure, look at the relevant figure describing the CTR. You may want to take a look at the figure. Yes, your answer is right, but only partially. Can you complete your answer? Finish your answer? No, we are not talking about the advantages of high diffusion, Ahmed Puri. This is about how the key stream is generated in CTR mode in a block cipher. If you look at the figure, we can see that nonce is concatenated with the counter, and the concatenated value is applied to the block cipher encryption block along with the key. And the output of the block cipher is the first part of the key stream, the first block of the key stream. That's how the key stream is produced in CTR mode, okay? Understood? Okay, then which type of cipher has a higher degree of diffusion? Is that a block cipher or stream cipher? With a higher level of diffusion. Yes, that's a block cipher. Block cipher has a higher level of diffusion. Zainab Abdul Abbas. Okay. Can you give me some examples of block ciphers? Examples of block ciphers? Yes, AES, Russell Japan, Karan Majid, and among the others. Zulfaqar Zaman, Zainab Abdul Abbas. Okay, next question. In what cipher the key can only be used once? Can only be used once. Yes, it's OTP, one-time pad. Yes, that's right. There is a problem with using OTP, and that's the key distribution problem. The question is, how do the sender and receiver agree on a shared secret key? Okay. Then what is the solution? What is the solution to the key distribution problem in OTP? Yes, Mustafa Majma. It's using a pseudo-random number generator. That's right. What is the main difference between the public key cryptography and symmetric key cryptography? The main difference between these two. Between public key cryptography and symmetric key cryptography. The main difference between these two. Any answer? Okay, I will tell you. The main difference between these two is that in symmetric key cryptography, a single key, the same key, is used for both encryption and decryption. On the other hand, in public key cryptography, different keys are used for encryption and decryption. Namely, the public key is used for encryption and the private key is used for decryption. So public key cryptography uses two different keys for each user. For each user in the network, you have two different keys, the private key and the public key, as you can see in this figure. And by the way, that was the last question in this session. Okay, let's continue with the last slide we were talking about, as you can see on the screen. This is the last. Let me zoom out.